how to create an A4 poster in Google Slides. First, from your main page, head to the waffle symbol, then scroll down and look for Slides and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you can press blank. Once you've clicked on blank, you can go to File and Page Setup. Change from widescreen to custom. Change from inches to centimeters. Change the width to 21 centimeters and change the width or the height to 29.7. These are the dimensions of an A4 page, and choose apply. Now you can see we have the full page that we can use as a poster. Now for our poster, we may not want to have these two suggested boxes, so we're going to select them and press the delete button on our keyboard, or we can select it, right click and choose delete. Now we start with a blank screen. So for a poster, you might decide that you want to put a background on the poster. There's two ways of doing this. You can click on theme, and from the options you can choose a theme for your slide. So in this case, I'll click on this, and here you can see the green, the yellow and blue and yellow theme. We'll go back to the blank theme and we will choose background. We can change it to a complete solid color, for example this blue shade, and it's a solid color. We can go back to background and change it to being a gradient. You have two types of gradients. You have one which goes from the top to the bottom, or from the center outwards, radiating from the center. Once you've chosen your background, you can press done, and as you can see, it is darker at the bottom than the top. You can also choose your own picture. You can choose your own image by clicking on the choose image button, and when using it, the image might get distorted if the image is rectangle and landscape. So if you're choosing an image, try choose a rectangle which is portrait, similar to the direction of this here. So we'll press choose image. You can go online to search for an image. You can upload an image from your computer. You can take one using your camera. And you can have photos, which are your photos online from your Google Drive. So if we do image search, you can type in here, I'm going to go background. And as you see, you get several images there. If I choose this image here, press insert. And if you're happy with that image, you can press done. So I'm happy with that image. So if I want to add some text, I click up here on the text box. I draw my text box and I type in As you can see, the text isn't very visible there, so we might choose to change its color. So to change its color, we can press the color, the A, and then choose a different color, something that might stand out. We can also change the size by going to this section here and pressing the plus. Another way to make your text more visible is to fill the text box with color. So we can go blue, and now you get it picked up from the color behind, so you can do that. Now another option you can do for putting in text is you could choose a shape, say a circle. We'll make an oval, and by default Google Slides will allow you double click in here and type text. And you edit the text in the same way, highlight it, make it larger if you wish. You can choose then if we want to have it in the center, and then we can change its color if we wish, and then we can make it larger as well. And then similarly you can rotate the shape, and the text will also rotate for you as well. Okay, if you want to insert a picture, you can click on the insert picture. You can upload from this computer. Choose your picture, press open. You can resize it by grabbing the corner. Don't ever grab the center because you will distort your image, unless it's a color. If you've made a mistake, you can press the undo button or the Control and Z. If you want to add a picture, there's also another method where you can go online, do a search for the topic you're looking for, and here we found some options. If we go to images, we can see some different images that are part and parcel of our website. So we can see here intuition. I can click on this, and then from here I can right click and I can say save image as, and we can call it jar, and that will be saved on my computer. However, instead of having to go to my computer to add it to this, I can simply pick it up from here and add it, and it will appear, and then you can use it from here in any way you want to use it. You can also right click on the image, copy the image, and head back over and right click and paste, and you do the same thing without having to save the image. If you want to reuse the image for any reason, it's handy to have it saved. From here as well, you may want to choose to put some lines in, so you can choose from here. You have line, you have arrow, you have all these options here. So if we choose line, we can draw a line anywhere we want. The options come up here. We have a color, and we have its thickness, and we have if we want it dashed or dots or what. And we can choose those, or if we want a solid line, we can do that. Don't forget to name your presentation, and this will get saved into your drive once you click away. Every time you do a change on your poster or on your slide, it's automatically saved. So there's a short tutorial on how to use Google Slides.